Alright, I can't show the next clip due to some issues I got into a little bit ago, I would say 2 days ago. Showing the next clip or the footage that I'd taken riding around and all that, that would add more fuel to the fire, the situation I'm in right now. Hopefully I can show you the footage later on, possibly let you in on what happened, all that good stuff at a later date or next video or another video. I did promise a lot of action in this video. Unfortunately, the situations I got in, it didn't allow me to go through with that. So that being said, the only thing I could do right now is promise you guys that next video there's gonna be all this stuff, blah blah blah. But I did that last video. I just want to apologize for, I want to say, not being able to complete my goal or my task in this video, because now that the first video is over with, the second video is supposed to be all about action, but the situation I'm in won't allow me to do it. I want to later explain to you why I can't show it or what it was, or yeah, but all I could do is promise for next video that it's gonna be crazy. But I want you to see it for yourself, and I'm not lying, honestly. So what I'm gonna do is just show you the footage of what I have. I'm gonna just put it out there, not the situation like before it, like what it was supposed to be in the same video, which would be this video. Sorry for confusing you if you don't get it, but I'm gonna just throw out what I had so far in this video. I'm gonna do that so that when the next video arrives, there's no missing holes or pieces as to what happened. I want to say thank you guys for watching it. I sound like a big YouTuber. All right, so here's what I got. This shit though. Why? No, I'm recording a little bit because screw it. But
what's up, guys?
It's your boy here.
Welcome back to my channel.
This shit for me real quick.
I'm your cameraman.
Come on, rookie. You got to. Come on, man.
Damn it. Fucking dumbass.
Come on. You put your fingers on my Sony.
Sorry, guys. This is the camera quality from the new Canon XT.
The new Canon
3000.
3000. Yeah.
It's from 2022. Not even released.
Yeah, like this bike.
This bike came out.
This bike came out next year. It came out next year.
Plastics are like that on purpose.
They came out like that on purpose. It's the
limited edition.
The limited edition.
Clean the
I forgot how this plastic comes. Pass me a zip tie that's over there.
Screw the plastics. We don't need them.
I know. Piece of shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Here we got my Subway sandwich. Look at that. It's in black and white for security purposes. Listen. I bought it. We bought it. We didn't do nothing. We bought it. All right. I'm not saying nothing. We bought it. All right. But this is, you see how this bike is now? It's got the craziest come up.
Missing plastic. Now that's plastic.
Yeah, all of the plastics this has are all like back there. It's gonna have the new plastic set. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Sneak peek.
Okay, pull something out. Wait, pause. No?
They have to wait until the bike gets built.
Yep.
Compression at all. You know, that shit down there. Gondo.
What, like if it has tension, it has compression in it?
Yeah, what had compression like this?
Oh yeah, there's no type of...
Look at that bike. Look at this compression. It's hard. It's not gonna be the same. It's not gonna be the same. But it's hard. It's hard. I don't know about Ariel, but that's a hoagie too.
Oh, shots, shots.
This is the biggest hoagie out here.
Yeah, that's the big Subway sandwich.
That's compression at all.
That shit don't got compression.
Don't. It's a hoagie.
Oh man.
Graphic kit coming. Oh yeah, this is like the plastics that are here.
These are more plastics.
These are the ones.
I'm gonna dip them in like thinner. And
I know,
they'll
so
probably get color again. Probably. I don't know.
Yeah, for now.
Those are the old plastics. So if anything, yo, hit me up. I'll ship and everything. I got the 3-gallon tank right here. It's a 94, 396. 3-gallon tank. I'ma redo them green if anything.
Yeah.
If the price is right, I'll redo them green.
Not in here, bro.
Hardware is in here.
You know what hardware is?
Hardware is bolts and all that, right?
No.
Yeah, bro. Look at all this hardware.
Oh my god, those shits are for...
All right, bro. You have to go deep in the aisle. This guy. I told you to come in this aisle. You see? These are different thread sizes. See that? So we have to come back and... I'm saying...
Some 8mm.
Yeah, we could get a bunch of 8 mils, but like... Oh, I don't...
These are thick. Those are thick.
Cause we're still gonna have to buy the bolt that goes in the back anyways too. So it could go any size then.
No, it can't because
It's gonna be 8, but I'm talking about like the thread size.
This is not 8 at all. This is like a what?
I don't know. Here comes the fun part.
This is the only bolt they got.
Nah, I doubt it. I put the plastics on. Now we're about to ride. Still gotta put a couple more plastics on. You.
Sob, drop the beat.